Nah, you're not. I swear. Yeah, and then. I'm not gonna lie, I might not even post it, baby. I might just clip it up and post it on TikTok. Man, if y'all haven't already, follow me on TikTok. You feel me? Or at least go and like the videos, you feel me? Try to get my shit up, you feel me? If I see us coming, see us coming. You know what I mean? Imagine the POV on that shit, cause I'm tuning the fuck out of that car. I'm tuning the fuck out of that car. Shit, inflation hit Alibaba. Shit crazy. I thought he was gonna buy the shit. So yeah, can't believe inflation really hit Alibaba. Shit crazy. The down price went from 250 to 350 with supposed tariffs. I don't even know what the fuck that is. Shit crazy. Like I ain't hearing nothing about no tariffs since niggas was having like a Boston Tea Party or shit. Damn. Niggas don't be drinking tea no more. So what the fuck they gonna sink? Shit. There might be no oil shit because I can't handle the gas going back up. I can't do that. I can't do that. Nah, especially since I started recording down here now. Cause this bitch always in sport mode. Never not need gas. Fuck. Yeah, I'm about to post this. The pump sound crazy. I can't wait to get it. You can't even hear it because the insulation on that bitch is so crazy. The pump sound decent right there. Let me tell you. Trying to be consistent type shit, you feel me? So it's not like it's gonna be like the most exciting video. So, you feel me? Bro, I just got hit by the thirstiest mosquito. This nigga really bit me on my eyebrow. That shit crazy. This shit crazy. Like, that nigga really wanted that blood, bro. Nigga really bit my eyebrow. Like, bro, I'm telling you, these mosquitoes, bro. They ain't nothing to play with, bro. They ain't nothing to play with. Bro, I needed that blood. Bro, I said I would get that shit anywhere. How? I be wearing Crocs and shit. One bit me on my big toe. Shit means. Like I need my phone shit dedicated like that. You feel me? I don't even know why females don't even be putting down pressure like that. Like that shit is sexy. Like, not too much now. You can't be doing everything now. You feel me? You might have to. I ain't even gonna say it, but you can't be doing everything. Cause I be feeling like if you gonna fuck, you be my decline. You might be inclined to put my legs up in the air. I ain't doing that. I ain't doing that. Don't put nothing up in the air. Then you can suck my big toe if you want to, but like my legs in the air do not. All there, you feel me? That all there. You feel me? So I was like, just can't be doing everything now. A little something here and there, you feel me? Let me feel love too, mama, like now. for, bro, I don't know if anybody's seen that video of that 840, that 850, was it 650? It had like double X pipes. I might do that shit. That shit sounded crazy. Might get two of them bitches. Tell that nigga, feel me? To show y'all something, and y'all better not steal my spot. But before the mall open, there's a room still cold down here. That shit always empty. Or where that lazy boy used to be. That shit always empty. So you want a little crack spot where you find you little fine shit in the area, just know if I pull up, you gotta go. You gotta go. Because I'm gonna be there smoking. I mean, I ain't finna be there that bad. I'm finna be there. Personally, I can't see shit. So, you feel me? And if you break that hole back out, bro, you better break that bitch out. Let me hear, you feel me? Because there's no way you in my spot not doing what you need to do. You feel me? If she not calling you back talking about, oh, I need that again. You feel me? You're not deployed. Alright, so behind this Ashley furniture. Plus, it's a good fishing spot. Don't tell nobody though. It's a really good fishing spot actually. Especially at night. It's gonna be a short vid. I'm gonna post this bitch still. 7 minutes, I'm posting this bitch still. Type shit. Niggas be talking to females for months just to do one. Appreciate y'all for tuning in for another video. Happy Father's Day again. If you ain't got a dad, bro, go give your mama a hug. Go give your mama a hug. Be like, mama, you know why I look like a dad. So here's the tie. I just want to know that to your mama. But like, if you ain't got a dad for real, go thank your mama for raising you, feel me? But yeah, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. That's another video. All right.